Hello friends, today we are making fireless cooking, that is Monaco safe way. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Ingredients are tomato sauce, namkeen, coriander leaves, potatoes mash and Monaco biscuits. So first of all, we will take a plate and Monaco biscuits and some potato mash. We will put potato mash on the Monaco biscuit and it will shape like a ball. And we will put another biscuit on it like this and we will shape it. It will look like this and we will make more. So it is done and now we will put the sauce on this side like this. And now we will dip it in namkeen. It is done. And now we will do like this for the same. It is done and now we will put some sauce like this on the top of the Monaco biscuit. A little bit sauce. Don't put extra and don't push the biscuit. It will broken. And now we will put the coriander leaves on it like this. Now it's ready to eat. Try it and comment us how it will taste. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Try it.